everyone, it's Allison and welcome back to the Unamundum YouTube channel. So today for Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply transitions to Google Slides. Okay, so I'm going to start on my second slide because the transition will be between the first slide and the second slide. So you're going to want to go up to slide and then go down until you see the word transition. And this little sidebar is going to pop up. So you're going to want to go to this where it says none under slide transition, and you can choose which different one you want. And when you choose it, you can change how long it is. So if you want the transition to take 5 seconds, this is what it'll look like. It'll be very slow. But if you want it super fast, then you can put it all the way up to fast and it'll be like in an instant. And another neat thing about this is when you're choosing your transition, you can go down to this play button and it'll give you a preview of the transition. So when you want it to play, you press play. And then when you feel like you've gotten a basic idea, you press stop and you can go back to editing. So there's lots of different options here and you can mess around with all that. You can have it slide in from the right or the left, sort of like a slideshow. One that I really like is cube, so it'll look 3D almost with when it's changing your slides, and I think that's really neat. And then you can also choose apply to all slides, and as you can see, this little icon here on the left side means transition in between the slides. So this will make it easier that you don't have to go through every single slide, but also if you want to change the transition on a certain slide, you can go to it and do that. And the really neat thing is this little sidebar will stay here the entire time, even as you switch between slides. So another neat thing you can do is have your pictures or your text be animated into the slide. So for example, I'm going to go to this part that says object animations and it says select an object to animate. So I want this picture to do something cool. Now I'm going to go to this button that says add animation. You can choose from all of these different options. I really like the ones that are fly in, and then you can play it and it'll first do your slide transition and then you'll notice it's blank. So I'm going to click it again and then my picture is going to slide in. And this is a really neat way to elevate your slides, make them a little more interesting, make it more engaging for your audience. And as you can see here, there's a ton of different options like spin. You just press it and it spins around in a little circle. But yeah, definitely mess around with those, see what you want to do. And you can also choose your text boxes, same deal. So if you want this one to fly in too, they can each have their own animations and you can go through and edit them differently. So this will be, I'll bring my picture in and then I'll bring my caption in. Alright, so that was my tutorial on applying transitions on Google Slides. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also go follow our Instagram, check out our website if you want, and as always, if you have any questions or video requests, make sure to email us at team@unamundum.org. Thanks for watching!